Okay, put it down. Okay, at the count of three, you will blow your candles with
Choy,
wishes. Huh? You wish
mag-wish
for
count.
something that would make you a very good
1, 2,
Boy
3,
Scout
bunga ng
someday.
perog, wish
A
count.
very good Boy Scout leader someday.
Wish
Okay,
count.
make a wish.
I want to become.
Ready? One, two, three, blow. Okay. Right. Boy Scouts of the Philippines! Mabuhay! Okay. So, in behalf of our very own Scouter Butch Alejabo, who is also the board member of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines, Zamboanga City Chapter, school heads, trainers, our Scoutmasters, and our parents, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wal barakatuh. Good afternoon, buenas tardes a todos. Alegre ba kita? Kanel mga parents, alegre kita?
Alegre!
Okay, children, please give 10 claps to your parents. Go! 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. ¿Por qué kita ya dale 10 claps ko na di atong parents? Why is it that we give 10 claps to our parents? Because without your parents, you will not be here today. So you say thank you. Thank you, Mama. Thank you, Papa. Thank you, sponsors. Thank you, Scoutmasters. Thank you, dear principal. These are the people who made these things possible today. Without them, you will not be here. Si hindi por causa di ila, no hay ustedes aquí. So, rindi kita muchas gracias kanila kay sila el yamanda ka naton anda. Okay, Boy Scouts, please lend me your ears. 5 minutes lang. 5 minutes lang. Okay, if I'll make the sign, you close your mouth. Ang Boy Scouts is obedient. Set. Okay. So, mga
Parents, test the new members of the Boy Scouts of the Philippines. Present! Present! Thank you.
Congratulations, boys! Congratulations, parents!
Thank you.
SPL